and welcome to Fitness with Meg. Today we have a resistance band calf workout, so go ahead and grab your resistance band. If you don't have one, that's fine. You can still do this workout without it. And let's go ahead and get on a mat, get down on the ground, and get started. Okay, so we are going to turn on the side of our mat, extend those legs, and let's go ahead and grab our resistance band. We are going to put that resistance band right behind our left foot here. And then we are going to lift that left leg up in the air, just hovering right above the ground. And let's go ahead and point and flex that toe. So we have 2 minutes of these point, flex, toe calf raises. This is similar to like if you were doing like a calf raise if you're standing up, but this makes it a little bit easier. This is very low impact. So if you don't want to stand up, you can do this sitting down. This is a great move. You could do this even when you're watching TV, just sitting here and pointing and flexing that foot. This really works that calf muscle. This is a great way to work that calf in a different way. So you can do this anytime, day you want. This is a really great and simple move. So we are just starting off here with this first move, and we're doing this for 2 minutes, and then we will switch on to that right leg and do that for 2 minutes. And then for our last move, we're going to be doing both of our legs for 2 whole minutes. So if you don't have a resistance band, you can still do this move without one. Okay, we have 1 minute left. So even if you don't have a resistance band, you can still do this move, just lifting your leg up here and you're sitting down and pointing and flexing that toe. So point and flex, and point and flex. I really love all of these resistance band workouts. It makes working out so much fun. It gives me a great way to switch up the workout. And y'all are doing so great. Just keep up the great work. And point and flex. And point and flex. Point and flex. And if at any time your left leg, the one that's up, starts to hurt a little bit, you can just go ahead and bring that down and point and flex from the ground. Otherwise, the rest of us can just stay up the entire time. Y'all got this. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, bringing that leg down. Next, we're going to place that resistance band behind our right foot here, bringing that right foot right off the ground. And let's go ahead and begin right away, pointing and flexing that right toe. And how do y'all like my haircut? I just got my haircut not too long ago, and I love it. It's super short. My hair has gotten pretty long. I don't know if y'all have seen it in my last videos, and I had been wanting to cut it for a while, and I finally did it. It's super great, super short. It makes working out a lot easier. I can even work out with my hair down now, and it doesn't make me hot or anything. And let me know in the comments below if you like my haircut as much as I do. Alright, and let's just keep pointing and flexing, and pointing and flexing. So if you haven't seen the rest of my resistance band workouts, be sure to check those out. I have a whole playlist on my channel dedicated to those. And we have 1 minute left. So flex and point, and flex and point. I'm working outdoors here today. It's a really great day to work out. Right now it's morning, so it's kind of cool. It's starting to get a little bit hot though. I know it's supposed to be a hot day today. Maybe like in the high 80s, 90s today. But it's a really pretty day out. It's bright and sunny. No clouds can be seen today. And y'all got this. And point and flex. And point and flex. And point and flex. Y'all got this. Once again, if that leg is getting heavy, your right leg, the one that's up in the air, you can always just bring it down and point and flex. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, bringing that leg down. And for our next and final move, we are going to bring that resistance band behind both of those feet here. And we are just going to leave both of our feet on the ground here. And we are going to point and flex here. If you really want a much tougher workout and you really want to work those abs too, you could bring both of them up off the ground and hover and point and flex, but you don't have to do that today to get a good workout in. You can just point and flex from here, right on the ground. And how do you like the super cute plant behind me? I think this flower is super cute. The daylilies are so pretty. They're a really pretty color. I love flowers. If y'all have seen from my intros and outros, the pictures that I have on there, they're normally like some really cute picture of nature, usually like a flower or something. And y'all are great. And just keep pointing and flexing. We have 1 minute left, and then we will be done with this workout. I'm super proud of y'all for sticking through with me here. Y'all are doing a great job. And point and flex. And point and flex. Y'all are doing such a great job. Super proud of y'all. Of course, as always, be sure to give this video a thumbs up down below if you enjoyed it. And as always, hit that subscribe button down below too. And point and flex. And if you have to adjust that resistance band anytime, you can do so. The birds are pretty loud out here today. You can hear them, a lot of them are chirping, like that one there. Yeah, there's a lot of different kinds of birds out today. And point and flex. And point and flex. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, you can remove that resistance band because we are done and you have successfully completed this workout. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up down below, subscribe if you are not already, and let me know how you thought of this workout. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day. Bye.